So a few weeks ago, I asked a business person, like, how much do you always spend if you want to make shoots for new product releases? You know, these people into fashion, especially those with ready to wear, they have to make various preparations before they get their clothes out. And how do you represent your clothes if the person said he needs it in a different color? I asked this lady this question, and she started lamenting that sometimes she would arrange her clothes in red. The customer would say they need to see how the clothes will look in white. And I told the person that, see, you are leaving lots of money on the table. You don't have to argue. Technology has come a long way that if a client needs it even in cockroach brown, you can get it with Google's Nano Banana. So in today's video, I'll be showing you various sample businesses where we can grow using Google's Nano Banana Power. And it is free, completely free. All you need to access it is a Gmail account or a Google account, as they popularly call it, right? So one of the businesses will be tailoring, real estate. If you sell bags, you are a digital course creator, or you sell books online, or you sell courses generally, or you do mentorship, you're a perfume seller, various businesses. We'll be doing it right inside this video that you're watching, and I'll show you completely free. We'll even show you how these videos can talk in your real voice, so that with it you can use it to really promote your business. You don't have to say, okay, let's arrange photo shoot, let's do this, let's do that. No, you just have to know what you want to get, arrange it in your prompt as I will show you. And if you check the comments that's in the description of this video, there'll be a link to assets used in this video. You can copy the prompt word for word, use it, follow my steps, and you are good to go, right? If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Ambassador Fidelis Ozoala. I like to explore various AI tools. I have a portal where you can see new AI tools I try every day by visiting portal.fidelisozoala.com. If you want to learn from me, you can always visit learn.fidelisozoala.com. All of this will be in the link in my bio. So I hate to talk really long, so let's jump right into the tutorial. So we'll be using an app called Gemini. You can go to your Google Play Store or App Store. You search the word Gemini, Gemini. When you search that word, you can install or download the application, open it, sign in with your Google account, and you are in. So once you are in, you see these controls. You can click on create image, or if you're on desktop, you can click on create image, right? So here you can add as many reference image and you type your prompts. So would use I have somebody I follow on Facebook, so she's a tailor, so let's use some photos from her business to do this. So I'll start by getting my photo. So I want to get a photo of mine. So if you have any photo in your device, you can always use that photo. So to add a photo, you click on add files. So I've copied that photo, I'll just paste. So let's add a product to the person's product I want to get. So she's a tailor, so Antoinette BMP Igboka. So I'm just using her as a reference to this tutorial, right? So you pick a photo, then you add that photo. Now we have two photos within it, right? So if your business, let's say you sell bags, don't worry, we'll get into those ones too. Let's say you sell bags, you sell caps, you sell whatsoever, you can always attach it. Even if you sell a digital product, you can tell the AI, that's this chatbot, to put it like it's a book format or like a physical book, you holding a physical book. You can prompt it whatsoever. There will be links in this description of this video showing you list of templates and how you can copy from it directly from me. I'll put a prompt. There are lots of prompts I will still show you. Look at it. There are lots of prompts. They'll be in the description of this video. So in this, what am I trying to prompt? I'm trying to prompt I should be standing beside this mannequin on display. The backdrop should be plain white. Add a header text, promo sale 20,000 naira, right? So you hit on generate and you wait for just a few seconds and it will generate exactly what you want. Wow, it has generated. You can see it here. I'm standing right beside the mannequin. Now, what is more interesting here is that I can even change the color of this dress to any color I so wish. I can change the color of my shirt by replying within the chat there, telling it to change the color. This is so much you can do, and you can clearly see that the face looks exactly, let me put the image, and you can clearly see that the face look exactly like mine, right? You can clearly see the face look exactly like mine. This is so much of what you can do with Google Nano Banana. And we can also make this video to talk. Now imagine the video saying something like this.
Hey guys, promo is still on at BMP Clothings. Your wife will like this. If you're a lady, this would be great for a dinner outing. Get this cloth and other designs now. Very fast and affordable at BMP Clothings.
You can see these are some of the prompts that I will share that's in the description of this video. You can see this is one I did. This is like the loaded apparels you get. So this one I did. I can also reduce my size because I'm a little bit fat here actually. So I can even change the designs of the clothes, right? This is for tailoring, okay? This is for real estate, okay? You can also, I just prompted it for me to be inside the 3-bed, 2-bath in Abuja. Everything here was done with AI. This complete image was done with AI. Imagine you, instead of going to the site, you know how your building structure is, you just take a photo of it, you prompt yourself in that area talking. So this will reduce all the whole security flaw, trying to get on site, trying to do this. You can just prompt yourself in the building, telling people it is for sale. You can easily create as much content as possible without having to be there. Do you know how much it will cost to be in this kind of place? It will cost you your transportation, it will cost you your time for you to be here, it will cost you to get this small for sale flyer, right? And it will even cost some people some money to give it to an editor that will join all these things together and make it. But with AI, you can now do it yourself. Now here's another one for somebody who sells bags. You can see this is a bag on display, putting the bag on stand, putting the bag here. The sweet thing here is that if your brand has a name, you can easily let AI put the logo on it, or you can manually edit it to put the logo. What does this tell you? That you can create endless content with AI. Now, this is a course creator, right? A course creator can always use AI to make flyers, to make images that they can post every time. You can see AI Video Maker course, 0 monthly fees, learn fast. AI Video Maker, enroll today. So this is like a course that teaches you how to do everything I just showed you and more, like making these people talk, making videos, commercials and ads and the rest of them. So this is a perfume. I'll also show you a video of it talking.
My people, come and buy this perfume. Oh. It's the best and hottest in town. Click link below to buy sharp.
So if you want to make AI videos like this, the ones that you can generate after generating, you want to make the video talk realistically, just like as I've done here, or you want to make other funny videos that you can infuse in your marketing and they can go viral. In the process of going viral, your video ads will be within them. You can get the AI Video Maker course. There's a whole lot to learn inside the AI Video Maker course, right? You can also, now the recent update is you can make lip sync videos. That's perfect lip sync, a photo talking, or you can even make a photo singing or a person singing. Other updates is you can turn your logo into a video, you can make storyline of video, you can make a digital AI twin, an AI influencer of yourself. Upscale these photos to look more realistic, and there's so much within the AI Video Maker course. So if it's something you want to really grow your business and you want to join our community, you want to learn these things, hit the link in the description of this video and take the AI Video Maker course. I can't wait to see you inside. Let's all grow our business together. Catch you on the next free tutorial. Bye.